The most influential of all of these cooperatives was the dairy union, the Maslow-Soyuz. I think I mentioned that last time when we talked about Austrian Galicia. This Maslow-Soyuz continues to exist here in Toronto. It's the direct descendant of it. And if you ever go to your supermarket, as I mentioned before, look for something called Mick Dairy, MC Dairy. Very good products. The MC stands for the Cyrillic MS, Maslow-Soyuz, the butter union. Literally, the butter union. This Maslow-Soyuz, this butter union or dairy union, had just it alone 143 regional dairies, an elaborate system of marketing and exporting abroad, as far as England, I might add. It dominated the Polish butter market. So very important were these cooperatives.